Hey guys, welcome back to another video of this COBOL programming series. In this video, we'll do a practical for module 8, which is subroutine or call program. So we'll write two COBOL programs. One would be calling program, the parent program, and another would be a call program, which is a child program. And we will communicate between them by passing the data, and we'll display that data on the output screen. So we'll write two programs. One is program 1 and another one would be program 2. Program 1 would be parent and program 2 would be the child. In mainframe, for parent program we called calling program, and for child program we call it as called program. So let's start. Go to the mainframe and write two programs. So let's start. So I have a PDS created for module 9 for module 8. So let's write a program. Module 8, program name would be program 1. So guys, this is the module 8 library. So this is the coding sheet we have. Identification division. Then we have program ID equal to program 1. This program 1 and this member name should be same. This is a parent program or calling program. Then we have environment division. Then we have data division. Then under data division we have working, storage section. Then we have procedure division. Then we have stop. So this is basic structure we have. Now let's define the data which we're gonna pass between the programs. So first is WS EMP ID pick X of 5 value is 10,000 140. This is employee ID which we will pass. Second is WS EMP name pick X of 20 value is COBOL Asif Ansari. So this is temporary variables we have defined, X of 5 and X of 20. So remember this when we will define the linkage section in the call program. So this should be same in the linkage variables as well. Now under the procedure division, we will display we are in calling program, means in parent program. We will call program 2, which we will write after this program using WS EMP ID and WS EMP name. Then we will display employee ID and also we will display EMP name. This is WS EMP ID and this is WS EMP name. So what we are doing here is under the procedure division, first we are displaying that we are in calling program, means parent program. And then we will, this is the call verb. In the theory lecture, we have discussed this call verb we used to transfer control from program 1 to program 2. We are transferring control to program 2 using this data, WS EMP ID and WS EMP name, and then displaying both the details after this calling and stop run. So let's save this program. We can't compile before writing the second program because we don't have program 2 written yet. So we will compile it once later on. So let's write another program, program 2. So we will write another program. So this is a coding sheet we have. First is identification division, program ID equal to program 2. program 2, this program 2 and this program 2 should be same. This is our COBOL program. Next we have environment division, then we have data division, then we have procedure, then we have working store. Sorry, we will not have working storage section here since this is child program or COBOL program. So we will have the linkage section. Linkage section under the data division. In linkage section, what we will be having? We will be having the linkage variable. ls linkage section emp name. So guys, this should be same as we have in the program 1. Pick x of 5. Another variable we have ls emp name. Sorry, here we have emp id. Emp name pick x of 20. So this data should be matched with the working storage section present in the program 1. Next we have procedure division. Next we have stop run. So guys, we will not have stop run here. Instead of stop run, we will be having go back. Stop run means terminating the program and transferring the control to the operating system. But we need to transfer control to the program 1 again. And in procedure division, what we will write? Using ls emp id and ls emp name. And in procedure division, what we are doing? First we will display we are in COBOL program or child program. We are displaying this. Also we will update the employee ID. So what employee ID we have given the value for employee ID? There is 140. So we will make 5 ones to the ls emp id. And then we will display emp id ls emp id. So guys, we have written the subprogram as well, program 2. Okay. So the main program is program 1 and the subprogram is program 2. This is environment division, this is data division, and data division will be have linkage section. In linkage section, we have defined the variables. And procedure division, we are using employee ID, ls employee name, and we are displaying that we are in COBOL program. So move 5 to ls employee ID and display employee ID. So we have updated this employee ID. So let's first compile this program. First we need to compile program 2. So let's compile. Go to the compile JCL. Program name is module 8, library name is module 8, program name is program 2. Load lib would be program 2. Okay. So guys, this is the source library from module 8 and this would be our load library. This would be our load library. So let's submit this job. Submit this compile job. Job submitted. Let's go to the spool. So return code 12 we got. The error is invalid word linkage section. Linkage section. So this is invalid guys because linkage section does not have this hyphen. So let's save the 01 ls. Go to the home screen. First save the program. Then submit the compile job again. Program. Go to the spool, compile job has been submitted. This is the compile job which executed successfully with return code 00. Now, so guys, we have compiled the program to the COBOL program we have compiled. Now let's go to the program 1, which we have written. So this is the program 1 calling program. Okay. So program 2 is compiled now, and we have defined the linkage section with the same attributes, same size, 5 bytes and 20 bytes. Here the value is 140 for employee ID. There we are updating this employee ID to the 51. So let's compile this program now. This program 1, the calling program. Save it. Go to the compile JCL and give the module name is program 1. This is our load library. This is our load library. Program name is program 1, and this is our PDS where the source program is present for program 1. So let's submit this job. Compile job for calling program is submitted. Let's go to the spool. So this is the spool we have, the compile job for program 1. Go inside it. It failed with return code 8. So let's see the error. Value close little does not confirm the picture. Okay. So let's see the value. So guys, we did not give the inverted comma. That's why we got this error. Since this is alphanumeric field. Save the program and compile the job again. Go to the spool details. Compile job has been submitted. So see guys, program compiled successfully. Now we have compiled this program which is calling the program 2. Now, so first understand what this program is doing. Then we will execute this program 1, and we'll see the result. So first we have defined the temporary variables here. Then we are displaying that we are in calling program. Then we are calling the program 2. So from here the controls come to the program 1. Let's go to the program 1. Let's close other thing and come to the program 1. Modulate program 1. Okay. So let's first close this. Close the spool. Close this program. Now open the program 2. Okay. So call program 2 using the employee ID and employee name. This temporary variable. So control from here will go to the procedure division of program 2 using the linkage section. So it will match the sizes of these linkage section variables as well as the temporary variables here. So the values comes under this ls employee ID and ls employee. So once control comes here, it will display the we are in cold program. Then move, it will update the employee ID to 51 to ls employee ID. Then we'll display the employee ID, okay, ls employee ID. Then we will execute this go back statement. So when this go back statement execute, the controls comes again to this display after this call statement, and it will display the employee ID. So employee ID now is updated one here. Then employee name and stop run will terminate the execution. So let's run the program and we'll understand you better. Let's go to the run JCL. Go to the JCL lib. This is run JCL. We have program name is program 1. This is our load library. Submit this job. Program 1 is executed. Let's go to the spool. So here is the spool details we have. Run JCL. The program executed successfully. Let's see the output message we have. So guys, see, first we are in calling program, then controls come to the called program, then employee ID is 11 printed after updating, and this employee ID is displaying in the calling program, the parent program, and the employee name is Asif Ansari. So initial the employee ID was 140 in calling program, and after that it updated to 51. So we have communicated between the calling program and called program. So I hope guys you have understood this lecture where we have discussed how the calling program and called program communicate each other. how we pass the data between linkage between programs through the linkage section. So thank you guys. We will meet in the next one.